your skirts, heels together, remember that? Here we go.
Little jumps and big jumps.
So remember to bend your knees at the start, bend and jump. 1. Land with your feet in first, heels together. And big jump. 1 and bend and bend and bend. Little jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your stairs, 7, 8, big jump. And 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so making sure, if you just keep filming this a little bit, feet in first. Make sure all of your jumps, girls, start with a bend. So show me the plie, bend. Jump up and squeeze your legs together and put those feet, squeeze. And then you whistle out with your feet back in first again, making that nice diamond shape. Okay? Bend your knees. And come up. Yeah? Okay. Right. Into a big circle